Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I have on my show someone specially from Dubai who is going to talk to you regarding how to keep your children engaged in physical exercise at home during the lockdown period. She is Dr. Shubhangi Gaikwad. She has an experience in exercise therapy, rehabilitation, and postural correction for practically 10 years. So let's begin. Our brain and body are connected, and exercise forms a crucial part for both mental and physical health. With the lives topsy turvy these days, with parents juggling between household chores and working from home, with the kids' online classes, exercise has become the last thing in our minds. But we all know how important and what positive effects it has on us. Research says physical activity has a significant effect on mental health of the children, specifically between 6 to 18 years. The children who engage in exercise or any kind of physical activity have better life satisfaction, positive self-image, and low stress levels. It also has effect on behavior in the terms of self-regulation. One of the most important effects of exercise or physical activity is on thinking skills. Yes, children are better at learning, problem solving, etc. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin.
WHO has recommended 60 minutes of workout or physical activity for every children between 5 to 17 years of age. As we all know, because of this COVID pandemic, kids are inside home. They are not allowed to go out, play and explore themselves. So it's not only difficult for the kids, it's also difficult for the parents to engage kids and give them activities each and every day, and kids every day want something new and something exciting. And because of this pandemic, most of the schools are went into e-learning mode. Kids are spending hours and hours in front of computer to take their classes, or they are engaged into some kind of activities through computer or through the internet. So the screen time has also increased, but that has also increased their sedentary lifestyle. Kids are not going out and not playing, which is not good for their bone growth and for their personality development as well. So I'm here to tell you some guideline or some tips which can help you how you can engage your kids inside home and let them play around inside the home in a safe environment. So first of all, if you want your kid to play and to be active every day, you have to play with them, because kids do not you cannot ask any child to just do exercise for 30 minutes or 60 minutes. It's difficult for them. So you have to engage with them, you have to play with them. Playway is the only method where you can engage your child to do more and more physical activity. Secondly, let them take a charge and teach you some exercises, or ask them to teach you the drills what they used to have in their school, so that in that way you are also doing some exercises and they will be more excited, to teach you rather than you teaching them something. Other thing, if you have a balcony or a home garden, then allow them to go outside, inside, like in your home space, and play around, because it's very important to go out and take sunlight as well. Other thing, many parents or many families are living into flats or apartment where they have limited area. Some don't have even balconies, so how they can manage? So my advice is that if possible, try to remove the furnitures you have which are not in use or which can be removed from the place, and create a play area for the kids. Another thing what you can do is in that play area or in the passage or anywhere at home randomly, just put some stickers like jump, hop, like I'll show you. You can do like this, do 5 jumps, then hop, do some marches like this. You can post these stickers, and you can ask the kids only to make these posters and paste it on the floor. And another thing what you can do with these posters is that every week or in 3-4 days you can ask them to remove it and put something new, so they'll be having something new to do every day. Another thing is let them dance. Dance is a very good form of exercises. And if you have a low height stool, take it out and let them do steppers, stepping up and down from front and from the sides. And I want to share some at least 5 exercises which are good for the strengthening of muscle, because as per WHO it is recommended that every child should do at least 3 days of strength training as well. So first exercise which I want to tell you is tree pose, which is very good for balancing activity. It increases the core strength, so you can ask your child to stay in tree pose for few, starting with few seconds and then increasing their duration. Second exercise is wall push-ups. This is really good exercise, and this will help to improve their postures as well, because when they are sitting over the computer for a long time or using mobile, they usually develop kyphosis or forward shoulders. So wall push-up will really help not only to strengthen your chest or arm muscle, but also to correct the posture. Third exercise is bridging, which they can do on the floor, and that will improve their core strength. Fourth exercise is back extension to increase the strength on the spine and the spinal muscles. And fifth exercise is bicep curl. You can give them some small water bottles or cushions just to do some bicep curls that will help to strengthen their arms. So these are the few quick tips which you can help to engage your kids for daily routine, and keep changing these activities every day so that they don't get bored and you can engage them for different kind of activities.
I hope these tips have been useful for you. Be it a child, be it a toddler, be it an adolescent or an adult. Physical health is the first and the foremost thing which needs to be taken care of. If your body is fit, your mind is fit. I would like to thank Dr. Shubhangi for giving us such meaningful information. Don't forget, think it, feel it, be it, do it. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button for further updates. Thank you.